Hey, have you ever had anything freeze on a tractor where nothing would turn? Because something happened here with this W9. We think that it froze inside there, inside the flywheel housing. Because the wheels still rolled, see we pushed it in here, but however the engine will not turn. Matter of fact, turn the key. Oh, now it's turning. Okay, so we're going to turn the gas on here and see if this will start. Now that hopefully it's flawed a little bit. Choke's not stuck on good. Okay, let's see what happens here. Give it some choke. We'll turn the key on. Almost. It is very cold, I can tell. And our battery's weak. Okay, so I went and got the battery from the 504 and hooked it up. Let's see what happens here now. Got a little bit of throttle. Yeah, it almost did, but the battery was low. Come on. It's cold, that's for sure. I don't know if I'm footing it or choking it too much. Man, so close. Yeah. When you're ready. Okay, so this thing was running and missing a little bit there. Well, this plug, the cylinder, I pulled the wire off and it wasn't, didn't make any difference in how it ran. Side that wasn't firing. So I've cleaned the plug there and hopefully it'll fire when we put it back in. it sounds a lot better. You know, ask him what he thinks. How's it sound, Pop? Says good. Well, thanks for watching this episode of the W9. I hope to see you on the next one. We think it got water in it from the pressure washing video. You didn't see that, check it out.